This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. And not just any episode. This is episode 1400 of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Thanks for watching. The world is in chaos right now. The Ukraine has been invaded by Russia, and here I am making instant noodles in the morning. So, what we got here, we've got this Itsuki Kumamoto Red Spicy. This came out of an Umai crate. Go to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. Blah, 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 blah. All right. So, it is time to cook. Let's see. 3 minutes. We got a liquid. We got a powder, and we've got these pesky noodles. Very, very pesky. It's hard to get them all when you put them in this. There's a grip of noodles. I'm going to put them in 500 milliliters of boiling water. Come on now. Do that right now? No, that is in the after time. Okay, so how's everybody doing? I'm doing pretty good today. Comes with a handy piece of cardboard. Kind of looks like a punch card. Anyway, so yeah, I've been following all the craziness in Ukraine and what's going on. My buddy, the famous author Matt Bella, and I have been commiserating on this quite a bit lately, and we're in consensus. The next step will be probably Putin doing something absolutely bonkers. Who knows? But we shall see. You already know. You're in, what, June? Dude. Time sure does fly. But yeah, how's the future? Hopefully it's somewhat reasonable. Reasonableness in the future. I like that idea, but who's to say? You guys could be dealing with another variant. We're supposed to lose our masks on March 21st, but who knows what will happen? Wheel in the sky keeps on turning. Not the deal? Yeah. But yeah, raining here. Got flood warnings. Not that it floods in town. Might have some urban flooding, but other than that, yeah, it's crappy outside. Kids are back in school. Miles already got on the bus. That's nice. And yeah. What else is going on? Yeah, that last set of noodles, man, those were good. Although they might get released, they're doing a meet the manufacturers. So the last 3 that I did probably are going to be shifted around. So, but yeah, when it comes to like crazy weather and stuff, especially rain, there's this bridge I walk to all the time. And I like to get video of when the water gets absolutely bonkers. So I'm going to walk out there probably in a bit. And then I'll get some outro footage. Or maybe some intro footage. That's the thing too. I do all these intros and outros. And then I'll have like way too many outros and not enough intros. The outros are 22 seconds. The intros are 7 to 10 seconds. And intros, I don't know. It's like usually I want these clips to last longer because they're fun to do, and usually I try to pick interesting stuff. So, all right, we're good. Enough of that. Enough of me. Let's look at this. Straight noodle from Japan. Oh, and they're doing construction outside. and it's just as wet as can be. Big old grip of powder. So I'm guessing if you just use this, you just have tonkatsu. I could be wrong, but it's a spicy red Kumamoto style from Itsuki. Their stuff is generally quite nice. And here's our liquid sachet. Let me get the scissors. Alright. This is just a oil. An oil, I should say. Alright. Beauty, eh? Okay. So this kind of noodle is like just about my favorite when it comes to ramen. These straight noodles, they're so much better. I don't believe they're fried. No, they're not fried. Cheers. Oh yeah. Look at that broth. Nice and oily, happy as a clam. Yes. Yeah, I gotta say, the two brands that I find to be exemplary when it comes to straight noodle, there's three. Nissen out of Hong Kong has some really good stuff. Who else? Itsuki, this brand. And who's the other one? Marutai. Marutai's stuff is really quite good as well. Yeah, this is just not cooperating. Come on. All right. Do you up like that? Start with our fresh chashu. Yeah, I think that's good. And I made some eggs. I just made them, so they're not going to be like ultra done up just yet. Today's kind of like Japan Day. There's like all these different Japanese varieties I'm doing. Yeah, didn't take long to get a little color on these, but not much. I got, come on, let go, slide off. There you go. Whoa, and you're getting all over my hand. Yeah. There's that. We're gonna do up some mung bean sprouts. I think I'll do a smattering of these. One smattering. And then we need our spring onion. But yeah, geopolitical events are absolutely fascinating right now. Hopefully all ends well, but I don't know. We'll have to see. Maybe a little pepper flake. That sounds pretty good on this. It's already got a little spicy note to it. And we'll go for a little Naruto Maki. Right there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Slipping and sliding all over the place. Come on, you dirty son of a... All right. Well, cool. Thanks for watching episode 1400. Episode 1401 will feature this Minraku Japanese ramen hot and spicy flavor with chili garlic. This was sent by James from Lakeside, California. And, yeah, see you tomorrow. This has been Odds the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.